Good morning again from the cabin. So today's project, hi Greta, is we went and got a truckload of mulch. So it's mulch morning. And then after mulch, I think we're taking this boat to a lake somewhere.
Well, get to work then.
I know. Just have a whole truck of mulch to empty first. It's only 4 yards, not too bad. All right, and there's the project. It's just natural ground mulch, nothing special. Just enough to top dress everything, clean things up a little bit, and then I want to add some, like a little trail to get back to our water containment system. Yeah, it's a beautiful day.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you.
No! Jay, I need your help. There's a porcupine. There's a porcupine. Oh my god, I've never seen a porcupine.
Well, get the dog.
I don't know where the other one is.
Get the dog.
Every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive.
Just ran right by me. But you know. Herman was the one chasing it. Oh no! I got it on video. It ran right underneath the kitchen and Herman was right behind it.
Oh, coming this way?
Yeah, it came around the cabin and
And where to go?
I don't know. I just went into panic mode to get my dogs because I don't want to go to the vet.
More than likely it's long gone now.
It wasn't moving very fast.
They're not real quick. They don't have.
He was cute.
So where in the world? Probably went off this way.
I would think.
But Herman didn't chase after him?
Well, I grabbed Herman. You should be able to hear it. Greta. Oh my god. I was like an arm's length away from it.
Was it puffed up at all?
Oh yeah. Cute little creature.
I just want to make sure it's not.
Still here. Oh my gosh. Porcupine friend. So Herman does have some in his paw.
Could be worse. Good thing you have a short nose.
Could be in his face. I gotta go grab Greta because she's just circling the cabin, smelling.
Greta. Sit.
This is gonna be an interesting day because we rewatched the video and said Porcupine is under the cabin. Cute little bugger. I feel really bad for Herman, so we're gonna try and pull these out. Probably put Greta inside.
You're gonna have to hold that leg tight.
Not too bad. He handled that pretty well. I know. You gotta get him out though. But you're doing pretty good. One more. Oh.
Any more?
No, I don't think so. I feel bad for him.
You should feel very lucky for him
That it was only 3?
that it was in his paw and not all over in his
Do
flat
I need
face.
to like clean that with something? Some alcohol wipes or?
Greta, come here. Greta, come.
All right, dog's inside. All right, so Porcupine is under the porch, or cabin, And Herman's still in here, just his adrenaline's a pumping and he wants to find him. And obviously my dogs are gonna spend the day inside because we don't need porcupine quills in their face. But they're both kind of losing it in there. Oh yeah. Okay, back to mulch.
Time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about.
Big yellow nasty snake.
A big yellow nasty snake?
Yes. Ew.
Where'd he go?
He's right there with his head up in the...
Oh, that is a big one.
Ah.
That is a big snake. Don't see it. It is not under
The porch?
the porch.
I think it's under the corner of the cabin, the front corner on the other side.
Okay.
It's what...
Look at that giant anaconda. Oh, there it is. That giant anaconda.
Ugh.
Look at that sucker.
Yep.
Probably a big old pregnant female.
Go
About
eat
to
that
pop out about
porky-
100 of them.
Ugh. That's a good one. Well, let's not make her mad.
I don't like the way they move.
Me either.
Slithery snake.
You don't go into there. Just go live somewhere else. We're gonna try something. We're gonna try an air horn blast a porcupine out from underneath the cabin. Yep. This isn't gonna work. I don't think. That's not working. I think our air horn is out of air.
Well, fixing the steel MS-170 take two.
What? Crazy girl? Herman?
Zoomy zoom, zoom.
Zoomy zoom zoom.
Oh, I can say.
So I let the dogs back out.
Who let the
and
dogs out?
I did. And all they're doing is circling the cabin, and Herman keeps trying to dig under the cabin, and Greta keeps sticking her nose under there, so
Hey.
pretty sure the porcupine is still under there.
We need to just let Mother Nature take her course. Those quills pull out easy. I had heard, now you can tell me if this is true or not. I had heard that those quills are full of air. And if you take a plier like I did and snip the quills, well, lets the air out and it like helps the barbs lay down and pull out easier. Google it. I don't know. It's just something I heard. Whatever.
I don't know.
Are you bringing that back out?
Well, yeah.
I thought you hated that.
I do hate that.
What are you going to do with it?
Well, it's broken. For one. I'm going to lay my brackets on there. I'm going to paint them.
That's going to be pretty.
All right, so we bought these beauties because they were only $4 a piece, and the pretty ones were like $30 a piece and were cheap. So we got these. They're the wrong color. The wrong color is white. We're going to paint them. Maybe.
Guess what?
What?
When we were leaving here to go get these cheap brackets and all the stuff and things, came around the corner and guess what? Big Tom Turkey full strut right in the middle of the road.
Yep.
He's so big, he couldn't even go to full strut in these woods because he is so big.
It was pretty cool.
He had to go out on the road to show everybody how big he gets.
A big turkey.
Yep.
When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here.
All right, so today while I was mulching, we saw the prettiest little hummingbird,
You know what else you saw?
a snake and a porcupine, and a turkey and a skunk.
Yeah.
The skunk, thank goodness, wasn't here.
Gotta check the sonar or the lunar.
The animals are going crazy, man.
So did the skeeters. What
And the
happened?
mosquitoes are terrible. So hopefully that little hummingbird friend will come back
That'd be neato.
and the porcupine friend will stay away.
Don't strip it. Did you strip it?
No. Now let's hang our brackets up. Cute.
About a foot down from the top of the window, a little more than a foot down.
Okay, good then?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Alright, we can feed the birds now and do some bird watching. We will put some jelly in that middle one.
I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one to think about, the last one to think about.
Hi. What are you doing, creeper?
Just creeping. Good morning. We are not at the cabin today. Where are we, Jay? We're on a lake. And we're gonna fish.
What are you doing? I'm over here working and you're
This
vlogging?
This isn't working. This is fishing and enjoying the day. Your hair looks as good as mine. All right, we're gonna try and catch some fish. It's Tuesday, takeoff day, and then Wednesday back to work at the cabin day.
Here for 10 days to get 1 day off.
One whole day. Here we go. What'd you get there? First fish of the day. Where'd she go?
Slippery, stinky little bugger.
No. Herman tried to dig a hole next to where I just painted down here. And Herman, what happened to you, buddy? And Curtis like, oh, you look weird.
Just was enjoying my life and...
It's bad.
He looks like that TV dog. You ever seen that TV dog from the Rascals, the Little Rascals?
Oh, yes, he does look like that. Lovely.